everyone and welcome to Mojo's Fashion. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to take measurements for a skirt pattern. I'll be using these measurements to draft skirt pattern using my method, Mojo's method, a method that I have been working on for the past 12 years, and it gave a lot of nice results. I started working on this method when I found some troubles following the regular traditional type of drafting a pattern. That one was really hard to follow, hard to understand. I had to read the steps every single time I need to draft a skirt or any type of pattern. So that made me think more and do a lot of trials and error. I found a new method, not found, actually I made a method of my own that makes a lot of the sense, a lot of logic, easy to follow, simple. So I wanted to share that with you in these videos, and you can also go into the link below where I just placed the link of my books. On Amazon. You can also have a look there. So if you are interested, please give me a thumb up, share and like, and let's get started. So in taking measurements, I like to classify the measurements into three categories: circumferences, length and width. For skirt, I will start with the circumference here. The first circumference will be the waist. Waist is very important one and very crucial. If the waist is not taken properly, I think the whole structure of the skirt will dysfunction. It will not work properly. You will find it dropping. So it's very crucial to take it properly. You can just add a rubber band or elastic band around your waist, and it will automatically shift to the smallest, narrowest area of your waist. Then you take the measuring tape around that place and ask the customer to breathe in and out, because trust me, some customers, they just stuck in their stomach. So yes, it is important to ask her to breathe in and out. Here is the waist. You will just add a mirror where you can make sure that your line is straight and parallel to floor. The second circumference will be the small hip measurement. This is a very important one. If not everyone takes this measurement, I don't know why, but I feel that it's very important, because it will determine exactly your tummy, like how big your tummy is. Okay, so it's very important and I really like to use it. So it's located in at the level of pelvic bones, okay, all around the area, or also between the waist and the big hip. Then the third circumference will be the big hip. The big hip, as everyone knows, it's the circumference of the most prominent part of your hip in this area. Just also make sure that it's parallel to floor. The fourth circumference will be the under hip circumference. It's exactly located where the bottom is finished and before the leg starts, like just the junction between the bottom and the thigh, exactly here. This is also important, and I didn't really see anyone before using this measurement, but it's important if you are looking for some curvature for the skirt. Some designs need that, so yes, I take it. And rule of thumb: whenever a customer comes to you, just take all the measurements, even those that you don't think you will need, because you don't want to ask the customer to come again just for taking another extra measurement. Then, my darling, will be the knee circumference. Okay, how to take the knee circumference. In my book, I will just leave a link below. You can just go check the book. in my book, I will show you here in my book. I like to ask the customer to walk toward me and count to 10 backward. And I'll ask the customer to stop with her legs apart, as you can see here in the photo. And then I will take the measurement of the knee, the circumference. By doing so, you will know exactly how wide her gait, where you can fix it, and you will know if you are doing a measurement skirt, you will know exactly how much you have to squeeze this area where the knee is located, so it's not so tight nor so wide. So I feel this is the best way to take it. By that, we are done with the circumference, and I will start now with length. Length I will start with waist to big hip. Okay, I like to take it from the side, from waist to big hip level. Okay, this one may vary from 18 centimeters to 22 centimeters, to depend on the height of the customer and her ethnic. So yeah, but this is the average, between 18 to 22 centimeters. Then the second length will be from waist to under hip. Okay, I'm not going to take this measurement from this side. I will take it from the back, and I'm not going to take it from mid back, as this one may also be inaccurate. Okay, so I like to take it from here, this side or this side, from waist, and going into the prominent part of the bottom, and all the way till under hip level. Okay. This is how we measure from waist to under hip length. Then will be the knee length. Okay, knee, as physiotherapist, I will tell you this: knee has a height, and the height of the knee, I will show you also. You can go to the book. The knee itself is like around 10 to 12 centimeters. So this is really, really important, because it will change the game. I mean, if the customer wants a knee level skirt, if you don't take two measurements for this one, sometimes it's so revealing, sometimes so modest knee level skirt. So what I like to do is to take the measurement from waist just until above the knee, and another one from the waist just until below the knee. Okay, the true knee locates in the middle between these two lines. But when you are designing a skirt that is at knee level, you have to ask your customer, do you want it like high knee or low knee? Okay, because it will really make a huge difference in the style, and it will change it from modest to revealing, and vice versa. Then I will take the last length. This length is waist to floor, but in my case, in Mojo's method, I like to take it in 3 areas: front waist to floor, side waist to floor, back from waist to floor, and also don't forget, it's not mid back, it's the area where the muscles are, the bulk of the muscle is located here. Okay, so from here to the floor. Trust me when I'm telling you, you will find a difference in this, in the measurements. And in the drafting skirt pattern using Mojo's method, we are going to use all these 3 lengths. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Okay, now the last but not least measurement is the width. It's one width. It's the bust point width. As you can see here in the mannequin, these seams lines are located here, the one that located here, are aligned with these bust points. So we need to know the distance between these two bust points, so we'll be able to know where to locate these two seams lines. Okay, so yeah, for that we need to do that, especially if we are making a full dress. In that time we should make them align. Okay, if you are doing only one, if you are doing only the skirt, you can shift these lines here a little bit or here a little bit, depend on the style. You can make them even two seams, it's fine. But if you are making a dress, a basic skirt also, it's important to locate it aligned with the bust point. Okay, by that we are done with the skirt measurements. In the next video I will be showing you how to draft the skirt. So if you like today's video, please make a thumb up, share, like, and yeah, like is a thumb up. Okay, share, subscribe, so you will be notified if I just upload a new videos. And you can just go also to my book as a reference. Yeah, so I will see you later next video. Thank you for watching.